So now we've done so many rows and we're now ready to finish off. You could decide at this point if you wanted to have a rhinestone rope or something, but I'm going to keep it the way it is, and then we're going to glue it to the leatherette. Now we're going to remember to add our pin to the back. We want to add it in a place where it makes sense. You don't want to have it too low on the shirt because you want the top part to be the most important. So you're going to try to do it where the arms would be or where the chest would be. That's where you're going to add your pin. I have put in the pin already. Let that glue up for a day. When you're cutting out your good felt, you want to leave a little bit of a space. You don't want to cut those precious threads, because if you cut those threads, your beadwork can come apart. So don't undo your hard work. So make sure to keep a little bit of a space, I would say 1 millimeter away. And when I cut this, I'm going to try to cut it very carefully. Remember, you could always burn the edges too. You could do it a little bit farther out and then burn it towards it. Now, make sure your scissors are nice and sharp. So going around the circle is going to be tricky. Just keep that in mind. So this is not well done, but I do have a lighter here. And when we do the lighter method, we're just burning the good felt towards the beadwork. We don't want to set this whole thing on fire. This is why we don't add glue at this point. We do not want to have problems. Usually you could get a better lighter than what I have. You want a low flame. This one's just goes hard. So here I go, burning it towards the beadwork. So what we're doing here is we're just melting it just slightly so that it goes towards the beadwork, because we want to have a nice pin that's showing your beadwork and not so much the good felt. So at this stage, we're going to now glue it onto this pin and we're going to be ready for edging. Okay, so when you get started, you don't need to use a lot of glue. We just want it enough so that it sticks to the backing. This stuff comes out quite a bit, so I suggest you close it up quickly. Don't forget to use a ventilated area if you're using something like E6000 or super glue. Don't glue your fingers together at this point. And remember to aim for the chest, maybe aim for the heart when you're placing your pin. So I'm going to give you a sort of 360, and then you're going to push it down. It's better to let that glue sit for 24 hours. You could read your glue and see what they recommend, but I think 24 hours is the best, just to make sure your beads aren't sticky when you go to your next step. Once you let your glue cure for 24 hours, you're going to now cut out the leatherette. Trying to be as close as possible to your beadwork now. So now that we have our finished piece, we could leave it like this. It's a sandwich. You see the leatherette, you see your good felt, and you see your beadwork. We want to think about edging, because edging kind of makes it nice and perfect, gives it a little flair.